This is the Southord lockpick set, and have been messing around with it and absolutely love it. I had no experience with picking locks other than watching some videos and reading some things online about how locks are made and how they work. My son and I both share an interest in lock picking, so he has this practice lock that he's been working with, a paper clip and tools that he made, and we were both able to open his practice lock. We then moved on to other locks in our building, able to get our front door open, our back door, and then the back door to our apartment and back door or front door to our apartment. So pretty much every lock we've encountered so far we've gotten open with no experience. So let me open this up. So if I was ever locked out of my apartment, I know that I could get in because I've done it. So it's a neat little tool, and it's really cool. It's easy to carry and it folds up, and there's a screw here you tighten and loosen that I lost right out of the gate, so be careful. I went and replaced this today with an inferior screw, but it works, and so it functions fine. It's just aesthetically not very pleasing, but I don't really care about that. So that's the Southord Jackknife lockpick set.